Do you like soba? I want to share with you the 4 best soba noodle recipes here. Also, please see the description for the detail of ingredient. First of all, let's make Mentsuyu noodle soup base, which is a very important thing to enjoy Japanese noodle dish. If you have a bottle of Mentsuyu, that's absolutely good to use. If you want to make the soup base from scratch, I highly recommend this way. First, make dashi soup stock with water and dashi packet. You can use your favorite dashi soup. Of course, using dashi powder is fine too. Boil on low heat for about 5 minutes. Take out the pack. Then add soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. Bring to a boil and turn off the heat. When I use it for soba soup, I will add a little water. You can also use it for udon soup or somen soup. So now we can move to the first soba recipe, soba with prawn tempura. First, I'm gonna make prawn tempura. I bought the frozen prawn, so defrost it in salt water. Remove back vein. Peel the shell. Cut the tip of the prawn's tail. And remove water using the kitchen knife like this. Make 3 cuts in the prawn belly. Push from the back to straighten the prawn. Next, I'm gonna make tempura batter. Prepare beaten egg. Mix it with water and flour. Coat the prawn with flour and dip it in butter. Deep fry the prawn until crisp. Add a little more butter using chopsticks while frying. Tempura is ready. This is kamaboko, boiled fish paste. I use this as a topping. Finally, cook soba noodles with boiling water. Drain the hot water and wash the noodles with cold water. Prepare Mentsuyu I made earlier. Use 1 cup of Mentsuyu for 1 serving. Add half cup of water. Bring to a boil and warm the noodles together. Dish up and put minced onion, boiled fish paste, and tempura. Next dish is Kitsune Soba. Here, kitsune means thin deep fried tofu simmered with sweet salty soup. This goes super well with soba and udon. Also super easy to make, so please try that once out. Cut thin fried tofu into triangle shape. Soak it in boiling water so the seasonings can soak well. Drain the hot water. Prepare a clean pan. Pour dashi soup stock. Add sugar, sake, mirin, and soy sauce. When it's boiled, put the fried tofu in it. Drop a piece of aluminum foil directly on them to cover it entirely. Boil until the soup is gone. The main topping is ready, so just cook the soba noodles. Dish up and put fried tofu, green onion, and kamaboko. Next dish is soba with egg and tempura crisps. This time I use naruto. This is also boiled fish paste. And prepare green vegetable for topping. I use komatsuna. Spinach is also great for soba topping. Cut it into bite size. Boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Squeeze the water well. Mince the green onion. Next, soak the wakame seaweed in hot water and drain the water. All of the toppings are ready, so let's cook soba noodles. Put the toppings as you like. Green onion, komatsuna, crack the egg, make poached egg if you like cooked egg, wakame seaweed, naruto, tempura crisps. You can buy this or make it from scratch with tempura butter. The last dish is soba salad. This isn't a normal way to eat soba in Japan, but this is very delicious, my favorite dish. You can make power salad with soba, super easy, so please check it out too. First, let's make dressing. Peanut butter, vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, honey, and lemon juice. Stir well. Next, shred cucumber. Cut tomato for topping. You can just put whatever you like as a topping or ingredient in the salad. Put the boiled noodles in a bowl. I add shredded cucumber and cabbage here. Mix it with the dressing. Dish up. Put some lettuce leaf, tomato, and boiled egg. Peanut butter makes the dressing so rich, but at the same time it's refreshing and nice because of vinegar and lemon.